My name is Jean-Michel Zilon. I would like to tell you about the 1 Acre Endless Possibilities project. I'm going to build a school and orphanage for my people in Haiti. Before I give you more information, I need to tell you more about myself and how I got at this point. When I was 24 years old, I was a political activist and took part in political meetings. I spoke up for people who could or would not speak for themselves. I spent almost 4 years in jail, wrongfully accused. Thankfully, by the grace of God, the government nominated a new head of justice, Florence Mathieu, who ordered for my release after reviewing my case. Now I live in America. I have 2 kids. I go back to school. I attended film school owned by Boston University in 2009 and quickly learned the art of filmmaking. The documentary I made before, we call it 1382 Days. In 1996, I was wrongfully accused of a crime I did not commit. I've been back and forth to Haiti 13 times in 7 years I have lived in America. This is the situation how people are living in Haiti. This is the condition. One thing, to continue my documentary, I have filmed the poverty of my people, as well as the struggle after a weekend. Gustave and Jane, my people wait for relief, but nothing ever happened.
Combien de bits tu perdu?
3.
After the earthquake, people keep eyes on Haiti. A lot of countries, they become partner to Haiti because they want to help Haiti. They want to rebuild Haiti. I met some of young kids, young guys. They was talking, they're not doing nothing. They said if they want to do bad things, they can do bad things, but they choose to work. They're cleaning cars for people. That is why I want to build this school all along. And now more than ever is the time to act before Haiti is forgotten again. In 1 year, I will build a school and orphanage on the 1 acre of land my grandmother left me. This is the 1 Acre Endless Possibilities project. We can make it. Without you, I cannot make it. But with you, together, we can make it. We can show the different. We can show the world the different.